This is your boy Brando with Fitness Protocols. Those that know me know that my two favorite hobbies in the world is weightlifting and golf. So that's why in this episode we're going to talk about how to improve shoulder mobility. Whether you need greater mobility to reduce pain and improve squat performance, or desire greater improvement in your golf swing, greater mobility is essential for mitigating future alignment issues. I've been in the field of health, fitness, and nutrition for over 15 years. My burning desire is to share knowledge, experience, and methods to living a sober, productive, and meaningful life via bodybuilding, powerlifting, and macronutrition enrichment. From personal experience, heavy one-directional push exercises, such as flat bench press and overly developed lat muscles, will cause reduced scapula activation and/or frozen shoulder, nothing beneficial to continue training and/or consistent golf swing. That's why it's important to add mobility and calisthenic exercises into our regular routine. Here's a list of exercises and dynamic stretches I focused on moving forward to maintain shoulder mobility. Let's talk about warm-ups, also considered passive movements. I would perform cross-arm stretch of 2 sets holding for 10 to 15 seconds. Targeting the posterior deltoids, the infraspinatus, teres minor, rhomboids, latius dorsi, and serratus anterior. Notice we got purple marker now. We're moving up in the world. Arm circles, 20 seconds in both directions. Standing arm swings, I would just do a few sets in between these other stretches. And internal and external rotations, light, only 5 pounds resistance, and a couple sets each. Nothing too intense. Nice little warm up to get us ready for the training ahead. For post-workout, typically before bed, after my body's had time to calm down from the workout, the training session for that day, I would do 1 set of each of angel raises, prone I, Y, T, and W, and chest expansions. I found that reducing the number of sets of flat bench press on push day and increasing the volume of front raises, lateral raises, and shoulder press added mobility. Following the same MO, slow and controlled, rep by rep. I also added upright rows for additional rhombus and scapula targeting. Push-up deficits off dumbbells for a greater pectoral / deltoid stretch. And lastly, elevated front foot split squats on the Smith machine. Increased shoulder stretch due to the nature of the lower bar positioning. And it increased hip mobility, all in one movement. Efficient and saves time. If a dive into yoga basics is something you're interested in, stay tuned for my next video as I'll walk you through my simple yoga routine that's guaranteed to improve overall mobility. Also, if fat loss and muscle gain sparks your interest, check out my video on the best workout plan for fat loss and muscle gain here. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. A like really goes a long way to help me grow my channel. If you would like to see more content just like this, please hit the subscribe button. I try to come up with new content as often as possible. Feel free to comment. I do read all the comments and I appreciate the feedback. You can also find me on YouTube, podcast, and Spotify at Fitness Protocols with Brando. Thanks again, and let's grow a stronger mind, body, and spirit one day at a time. Until next time.